Take a deep breath in, slowly breathe out. Take a deep breath in, slowly breathe out. One more, take a deep breath in, slowly breathe out. Now just pay attention to your breath. Observe your breath. Now remind yourself the purpose why we are here. And remind yourself the duty towards you, the dharma bhav. Set the intention for today's class is awareness. Awareness about your own self, about your own body, about your own emotions. Throughout the class, just try to observe yourself. And then try to do whatever is maximum possible for you. Keeping that purpose in your mind, join your palms together. We will do 3 rounds of Om chanting. So take a deep breath in. Gently rub your palms together, make them warm. Cup your eyes. Blink your eyes in a cup of your palm. And gently slide your palms to the face. Gently open your eyes. Namaste everyone. Once again, we start with the neck movement. You can place your palms on your thighs. Inhale, look up toward the ceiling or sky. Exhale, chin to your chest. Repeat the same. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last. Inhale up. And exhale down. Center. Inhale, center, exhale, look at your right side, center, and then left side. Continue the same, center, right side, center, left side, center, right side, center, left side, center, right, center, left, center, one last to the right side, center, to the left side, and center. Very good. Now drop your right ear on your right shoulder, center, left side, center, right side, center, left side, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, last, left, and center. Now gentle rotation, make a circle with your head. Inhale half circle, exhale remaining half. 2. Try to keep the eyes open, okay? Otherwise it's a winter morning, you will feel sleepy. 3, 4, and 5. Then change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very good. Relax the neck. Now we will move to the shoulders. So lift the shoulders up and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. One last, up, down. Now make a circle. Inhale up, exhale down. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now reverse the direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One last, inhale, exhale. Perfect. Stretch your both hands forward, fingers wide open. Try to spread your fingers wide open. And just I am showing you, pull your palms also towards you. You just keep here, I just told you. Awareness, okay, keep listening. I just said I am showing you, don't do this. Press your palms towards you. It's stretching the fingers. At the same time, I am trying to make a 90-degree angle with the palm and forearm. So pull it towards you and stay there. 5. Shoulders are relaxed. We are not lifting the shoulders. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thumb inside. Make a tight fist. Tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now try to make a circle. You can lose your fist a little bit and make a circle. Make sure you are rotating in both hands in the same direction. Observe me. See, both the wrist is going in the same direction. No, check करो, कुछ लोग अभी भी opposite कर रहे हैं. And reverse the direction. Hopefully you believe me, जिन लोगों ने वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया, मेरे को इतनी पावर नहीं कि I can see you. You need to turn on your video. Okay, if you are comfortable. Good. Now turn the palms up, bend the elbow, straight the elbow. Quick. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. 4, 5. Now try to make a circle with the elbow. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Now interlock the fingers, turn your palm toward the sky, ceiling, stretch the body up. A first stretch for the day, a lengthening of your spine. Inhale and stretch up. Stretch up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your palms, slowly bring it down. We'll repeat again the same thing, okay? Interlocking the fingers, stretch the body up. Inhale, stretch, 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 stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your palms, slowly bring it down. Perfect. Your right palm is sideways, stretch your left hand up. Inhale at the center and keep sliding towards the right side. Just make sure you're not bending this. Keep stretching your even index finger, ring finger. Come back to the center, change the side. So first stretching and then we are going sideways. Feel the stretch on your lateral side, which is here. Perfect. Come back, we'll repeat the same. One more round. Inhale up and just slide and stay there for 5, 4, whatever is you feel comfortable. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Come back, change the side, stretch up and go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Stretch your both the hands up. Now twist to the right side. So left palm outside of the right thigh. We are taking the support of the left thigh. And sorry, right thigh. This is my right thigh. Okay, twist to the one side. Your spine should be straight. I am just showing you the side way also. Your spine should be straight. You should not lean back. Okay. Keep the spine straight. Perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch your both the hands up toward the sky. Center. Now twist to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Straight the body up. Keep stretching the body up. Palm facing each other. Keep stretching. Feel the lengthening of the spine. 5, 4, 3, 2. Interlock your fingers at your back. Roll the shoulders. Keep stretching your hands back and chest out and look up toward the sky. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. With the exhalation, go forward. Try to touch your forehead or whatever is feel comfortable. And try to raise your hands up also. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Inhale up and relax. Okay. Now we will go for tabletop position. Tabletop position, cat cow, Marjorie asana. So hip distance, forearm distance, and then one palm forward distance. Okay. Your hip and knee should be in one line. Your shoulder and wrist should be in one line. Okay, perfect. You can keep the toes in and out. Choice is yours. See, some people feel comfortable in this. Some people feel comfortable in this. Okay. Right now I am doing this. So it's inhalation and exhalation. Perfect. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. So when you're pushing your spine down, keep lifting the chest up toward the sky and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite and hold. Pull your belly in. Push the chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Neutral position. Keep the knees together, palms at the same place. Okay. So first you can observe. So we are stretching the leg back side. It's not, knees not bent. It's a straight leg. Okay. But lifting up also. So lifting the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Try to bring your knee close to the forehead. So it's inhalation up. Exhale down. Okay. Let's try. Inhale. Keep the knee straight. जो पैर पीछे जा रहा है वो सीधा पीछे जा रहा है. बस वो आगे आ रहा है. Exhale करते हुए. Then we are bending it. Okay. Perfect. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale. One last, inhale and exhale. Perfect. Change the side. Repeat the same thing the other side. So inhale, exhale. Perfect. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When we are lifting the leg back, we are looking forward. We are looking forward. When the leg is backside, yes. Inhale. And last, exhale. One more. Let's try one more. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Perfect. Now this next is a little tricky, okay? But I believe everyone can do it. So it's see, maintaining the angle. Right now, whatever is my angle, I'm maintaining the same angle. So I'm just lifting the knee up towards you and then down. So it's a simple. I'm not changing the angle. I'm not doing this. Whatever angle is here, I'm lifting the same. I'm bringing it sideways and bringing it down. Okay? Can you try? Go up. One, one, one. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Perfect. 4, 4, 4. Last. 5. Lift the knee back. Lift the knee back side. Now, lift the knee back side. ध्यान से देखो. पीछे उठाना. नयन जी, आप yes, perfect. Then side. And then down. Now we are reversing the entire process. So now first side, then back, then down. Okay, so reverse side. Side, back, down. Side, back, down. Side. Look forward, otherwise you are dropping the shoulders. Back, down. One last. Side, back, down. Now the task for you. Do the same thing 5 rounds with the other leg without my instruction. Let's observe how much people did right. Very good. Nice. सुबह सुबह सब लोग जाग गए. Good. I am happy. Very good. Just take care of the angle. That's it. You all can do. Nice. Five round. One direction, then you can change the direction. Perfect. Good. Okay. Now relax in Shashankasana. Now we will start the class. Relax in Shashankasana, knees apart from each other. Extend your both the hands. Perfect. And just relax. Reset yourself, prepare yourself mentally also, physically also. Now, keep the palm at the same place. Just keep listening. You all know everything. Palms at the same place. Just come on your knees. Then toes in. So we are going for Adho Mukha. So toes in and lift the hip up toward the sky. The first inversion for the day. Perfect. Keep lifting yourself. Whatever you feel comfortable. Just make sure you are shifting your weight more towards the leg. For that you have to lift the hip toward the sky. Fingers wide open on your mat. And keep pressing your shoulders toward the toes. Perfect. Stay there for 5, 4, 3. Please be very careful. We are increasing the blood flow towards the head, so maybe some people feel a breakout. Now slowly move towards the plank. Just you need to move the shoulders. Just you need to move the shoulders. Just you need to move the shoulders. Perfect. Very good. So we are normalizing the blood circulation again. Then we are going for the second repetition. Exhale, move the shoulders towards the toes. Move your shoulders towards the toes. Keep exhaling. Use the gravity to exhale more. If you exhale more, so then only you can inhale more. Again, move your shoulders towards the plank so you can normalize your blood flow. You will not feel uncomfortable. Very good. One last, go for Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the shoulders towards the toes. Press the shoulders towards the toes. Press the shoulders towards the toes. Perfect. One last. We'll hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, last 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your knees. Again we are going into Shashankasana. We don't need to change anything. Just drop the knee, toes pointed, and drop your forehead. Very good. Just stay there. And see the difference. Only a half inversion. We are just lifted the hip and head down. You see the beauty of asana. Now, if you feel comfortable, again come on your Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again come to your Adho Mukha Svanasana. Then bring your right leg forward between the palms, like Ashu Sanchalan. Right leg. Okay, just remember right leg, otherwise you will get confused. Hopefully, all know what is your right, what is your left. Drop the left knee on the mat, left toes pointed down. Perfect. If anyone ever anything with the knee, just take some precautions. Okay, you all are practicing, so I'm not mentioning everything. Push the hip forward. I am pushing my hip forward. I am trying to making a straight line from this knee till the other knee. Just try whatever is possible. We are not dropping chest up. Chest is up. We are working here. We are trying to pushing the hip forward. Very good. Just make sure you are stretching the other leg back side in opposite direction. Otherwise, you will move forward. Perfect. Stay there. And smile on your faces. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly try to straight the leg which is forward. So right now this is the right leg. We are not moving it forward. We are just pushing the hip back and trying to straight the right leg. You can keep the palms here. If it's too difficult, you can move your palms slightly back side. If you are comfortable here, so the next move is try to flex the toes and enjoy the stretch. Very good. And exhale. And if for someone is comfortable, you can go forward. So we have the 3 different stages. First is just straightening the knee, second is flexing the toes, third is going down also. So check yourself where we are. 5, and just make sure you're breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Move your hips slightly forward. Now move the same leg outside. So this time I am keeping my right palm inside. I just moved my right foot outside of my right palm. Perfect. Now you can't see my right palm. Very good. And if possible, go on your elbows. If possible, go on your elbows. If it is too difficult, for this you need to move the hip forward. You can't keep the hip here and you can go. So for this, make it easy. Push the hip forward first and then drop the elbows. Okay? Yes. Very good. Very good. Keep the left knee on the floor. Keep the left knee on the floor. Right now we are keeping it a little simple. Or if it's too difficult, still you can keep the palms. Very good. Feel 5. Can you feel something? 4, 3. बहुत कुछ feel हो रहा है. 2, 1. On your palms first. Come on your palms. Very good. And now bring your right leg back into your favorite asana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, right? Adho Mukha Svanasana. Perfect. Now we are changing the legs. So this time left leg forward, right knee on the mat, right toes pointed down. Push your hip forward. Push your hip forward. Maintain this straight. Where you are feeling straight, this side. Okay. Yeah. This time this is the left leg forward, right leg is back. Stay there. For 5, 4, 3. Push your hip forward. You need to focus here and you will get the stretch here. 3, 2, 1. Try to push your hip back and try to straight this time left knee, which is forward. First task is to straight the knee, second task is to flex the toes, and third is dropping forward. Check yourself, okay? You should feel the stretch. Where you should feel the stretch? It's in your left hamstring region. Very good. Very good, very good. Everyone is good, doing according to your own capacity. Very nice. And 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now you know the next move. Left foot outside of your left side. No, no, left foot outside of your left palm. Yes, both the palm inside. Keep the right knee on the mat. Push the hip forward. Very good. Now drop the elbows on your mat. Drop your elbows on the mat. Very good. Same thing we are doing. This time both the hands inside. Very good. 5. If you observe yourself, if you are holding your breath, then only you are getting the difficulty. If you keep breathing, you will able to do it little better what you are doing right now. 3, 2, 1. Just listen me carefully, okay? Place the palms just first only the palm, right toe in, right knee up, and we are going for the malasana. So bring the other leg also forward. If you can't sit in malasana, just please stay there, okay? And if you can sit in malasana, please sit in the malasana. If someone have any issue with the knee, you can avoid it. Now we are trying to do the two things. First, with the elbow we are pushing the knee, and second, lifting the chest up. Can you see my chest is open? I am not like this. Okay? Keep pushing, but always remember according to your own capacity. So keep pushing and feel the stretch. We are sitting, but it's an active stretch. It's not a passive stretch. Constantly we are working. Constantly we are working. Constantly we are working. See, okay, very good. Whatever is possible, okay? If both the heels is not possible, you can lift the one heel and then you can stay. So keep changing for a time. If you are not able to drop the both the heels. 3, 2, 1. First observe me, then we will go. Because I know most of the people will do it wrong. So from this position, I am placing the palm. I am not lifting my palm at all. Just assume you applied Fevicol and just you placed it. Okay. Fevicol का जोड़ है छूटेगा नहीं. So we just placed it. Now try to straight the knee. Whatever is possible. For example, for me this is maximum. If I do this, I start lifting. Then no, bend the knee and stay there. So what we will do? So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's try it. Bend the knee. Just sit down. Now straight the knee, bend the knee. But फेविकोल का जोड़ छूटना नहीं चाहिए, ध्यान रखना है. चाहिए, परफेक्ट. हाँ, फेविकोल का जोड़ टूट रहा है. चेक करिए. Two more, perfect. 2 more. Okay, it's bend the knee. One last, straight the knee and just stay there. Straight the knee, straight your knee and stay there. Keep the palms on the floor. Perfect. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Stretch your both the hands forward in line with your head and very slowly come up like Hastottan. How we lift ourselves. Very good. And join the palms together. Stay there. We did the multiple ups and downs. Maybe you are feeling the blood rush in your head. Okay, just stay there. If you are feeling comfortable, then you can come on your head of your mat. Okay, we did the multiples up and down, so it's very common. Maybe you are feeling the blood rush or maybe you are feeling the heaviness in your breath because it's in the morning. Head of your mat. Now just keep listening my instruction. You all know. So how, like so far you are doing, everyone is good. So next few minutes also you will do good and you know everything. Just try to keep listening. And what was our motivation or intention? To aware about our own self. Okay. So join the palms. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, raise your both the hands up, arch back. Slowly exhale, go forward. Try to touch the toes. Whatever is the limit. Feel the stretch on your hamstring. Shift your weight slightly forward. Feel the stretch. Now bring the right leg back, but not like Ashwashanchilan. We are just keeping it little close. Drop the right heel inside. So we are going for the Trikonasana now, okay? So I said heel, not the knee. And try to straight the left leg. So this toe is facing towards you. And raise your right hand up toward the sky. Trikonasana, the triangle pose, which you already know. Very good. Now the task is to looking up toward the sky. First task is to straight the leg. Second task is to lift the hand. And third is to look up. Yes, step by step. Trikonasana. Anjali जी just go for Trikonasana. आपका राइट पैर पीछे, लेफ्ट फुट आगे. Very good. Stay there. 5. वो नीता जी आप डीप ब्रीदिंग करो तो तब तक डीप ब्रीदिंग करो है ना, लंबी गहरी सांसें लो, सांसें छोड़ो. 3. अंजलि जी त्रिकोणासन 2. 3, 4, 5. कोई बात नहीं, दोनों हाथ नीचे, दोनों पैर पीछे. अधोमुख श्वानासन. Bring your both the legs back. अधोमुख श्वानासन. And just stay there. Adho Svanasana. Perfect. Dropping your knee, chest and chin. Ashtanga Namaskar. Just make sure your shoulders just above the palm. तो थोड़ा आगे स्लाइड करना पड़ेगा. Perfect. Drop yourself completely on your mat. Drop yourself completely on your mat. And now we will go for Bhujangasana. So keeping the toes together, palms below the shoulders. Inhale, slowly lift yourself up, but without support of the palm. We are not using the palm. Palm is below the shoulders, but we are not taking the support of it. Just stay there. Keep stretching your legs down. Just assume someone is pulling your legs down. पैर खींचते ना बस वैसे ही. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Go down. We will repeat the same 2 more rounds. Okay, this is one of the best asanas. Inhale up. Inhale up. Again, Bhujangasana, same thing. Exhale down. Perfect. One last. Inhale up. And exhale down. Very good. Toes in and lift yourself up towards the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your right leg forward between the palms. Drop the left heel inside, but you need to decrease the distance slightly. So decrease the distance slightly. We are going for Trikonasana on the other side. So right leg forward, straight the right leg and lift the left hand up toward the sky. Perfect. Try to look up if possible, otherwise you can look forward also. Just make sure you are trying to keeping the knee straight. दोनों पैर सीधे हैं. जो पैर पीछे वाला पैर नीचे आएगा ना अंजलि जी, पीछे वाले पैर की हील ड्रॉप कर रहा है. ड्रॉप द हील डाउन. यस, वेरी गुड. 3. हील और नी में डिफरेंस है. दिस इज योर नी, दिस इज योर हील. सो आई सेड ड्रॉप योर हील्स. And 2, 1. Both the palms on the mat. Both the leg forward. And raise your both the hands up. Arch back, whatever is maximum possible for you. And join the palms together. Tired? How is everything? Everyone is fine? Just thumbs up. Saturday party enjoy कर रहे हो? With me? Good. People do party Saturday evening, but I personally do it Saturday morning. Saturday morning is a little quite intense than the rest of the classes. Okay? Sure. So now we will go for Veer Bhadrasan 1, but in the same flow. In the same flow, we will do same thing. This, complete forward, right leg back, then we will go Veer Bhadrasan 1. I will show you also. Just I am giving you a little bit idea so you are mentally prepared. Okay? Perfect. Head of your mat, join your palms together. Inhale and exhale, fit together. Inhale, raise your both hands up, arch back. Exhale, complete forward. Very good. Right leg back. Drop the right heel inside. You can check. Drop the right heel inside. Toes are toward the right side. And lift the upper body up. Veer Bhadrasana. We are facing towards the left leg. Left leg is bent. Left leg is bent. Very good. Your body is not twisting. Your body is still facing towards the left side. Join the palms. If you can't join the palms up, you can join it here also. But try to do this because it's very good for your legs. Very good. Very good. Look forward. हाँ सही है नयन जी, जाओ ऊपर उठाओ, दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठा लो नयन जी, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. पीछे वाला हील को नीचे ही रख के रखो. नीता जी यू कैन गो फॉर पश्चिमोत्तानासन, यू नो राइट, टोस टच करो. हाँ 5. आप लोगों को नहीं, आप लोगों को नहीं, नीता जी जिसका नाम से वही करेंगे पश्चिमोत्तानासन. होपफुली एक ही का नाम है नीता जी. 5 4 3 2 1. अब अपर बॉडी को ऊपर उठा लेंगे, लिफ्ट योर अपर बॉडी अप एंड वीर भद्रासन 2. So open your both the hands in up, same direction. So right hand in the right direction, left hand in the left direction, but we are keeping the lower body at the same position. Perfect. This time we are twisting the upper body also. So your hip, your shoulder is facing towards the right side. Perfect. Look at your left arm. Where is your left arm? Check. 5 4 3 2 1. Very good. Bring your both the palms down towards your left leg and bring the both the legs back. Adho Mukha Asana. Very nice. Adho Mukha Asana. Now again drop your knee, chest and chin. Then drop yourself completely on the mat. Now, little change. Interlock your fingers because last time you were doing kicking. So interlock the fingers, roll the shoulder, is not हाथ बांध ली. Inhale up and exhale down. Repeat the same. Okay. Inhale up, go. Just as if someone is stretching your hands back, down. Perfect. Please breathe properly, okay? Otherwise it will feel more difficult than actually it is. Go. Inhale up, 3/3 round. Exhale down. Very good. One more. Inhale up. So whatever getting your feeling, you should feel the same when you are doing the Bhujangasana, placing the palms below. That's why we are doing this. Inhale up and down. One last. Inhale up. Stay there. 5 4 3 2 and 1. Relax yourself in Makarasana. Relax yourself in Makarasana. Palms above each other. You can place any side of your face. Especially relax your lower back. Don't tighten your legs. Just relax them and catch your breath. Normalize your breath. Okay, perfect. Last move. Place the palms below the shoulders. Go for Adho Mukha Asana. Go for Adho Mukha Asana. Now bring your right leg forward. Right leg forward. We will do Veer Bhadrasan 1 and 2. Other side, okay? So drop your left heel inside, raise your upper body up, feel Madrasan on your right side this time because your right leg is forward. Very good. Nice. Stay there. Breathe. 5. हाँ. पीछे वाला पैर है ना नीचे रखा हुआ, पीछे वाला जो पैर है वो नीचे है. So drop your left heel inside. It's not heel is in air, it's inside. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your both arms. Go for V Virabhadrasana 2. Ideally, your knee and heel should be in one hand. अंजलि जी, ये पैर नीचे है. आपका पैर ऐसा पीछे ऊपर.
Yeah, that is comfortable for me. Right, regarding niche rakhne se. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay then. But ideally, I thought you don't know. That's why I was telling you. It's fine. Then it's fine. Stay there for 5, 4, 3. Breathe. 2. And 1. Both the palms on the mat towards your left leg, right leg, sorry, and bring both the leg forward. And raise your both the hands up toward the sky with the hands, and join the palms together. Very good. Okay. Then everyone is fine. Good. Catch your breath, and you can just sit down on your mat. Sit down in the mat. Catch your breath. You can sit in Vajrasana, that is the best. And just keep the eyes closed. Vajrasana will be the best. Yeah, if you have any restriction, then you can go for Sukhasana or Padmasana. Now catch your breath and just observe the spine and observe the changes in your body. That was our intention, if you remember. I said we will be aware about our own self, our own body, our own emotions. So now just observe. So asana is also one of the important part in your yogic journey, which reminds us what we need to do. Now keep the eyes closed. Just gently lie down on your back. Keeping the eyes closed, you all know how to lie down. So go one side. If you don't know, then only you can open the eyes because you are already into this state. Lie down on the back. We will go for Vakrasana. So this same thing you can do with the eyes closed also. So we'll place the palms in T-shape. If you don't know, then of course you need to open the eye. But if you already know Vakrasana, we will do the fourth variation in which we keep the heels to get away from each other. We are keeping the heels away from each other. Knees are bent. Heels are at a hip distance. Drop your both the knee to the right side and look at the left palm. Drop your both the knee to the right side. Look at the left palm. Inhale center. Drop it to the other side. Just a one checkpoint. Just make sure your right heel is coming towards your right knee is coming towards the left heel. Stay there. Check. If there is some arrangement you need to adjust, please go for it. So we'll repeat the same. Inhale center. Then right side. Center. Left side. And center. Perfect. Keep the leg straight. We will go for Pavan Muktasana with the one leg. So keep the leg straight first. Bend the right leg. Hold your right leg tight and try to press it towards the abdomen. Very good. We are not lifting the shoulders. We are not lifting the head. Everything is relaxed. We are trying to keep it close to each other. And release the right leg. Go for the left leg. Press it. And release it. Now we will go for Dvipat Pavan Muktasana. So bend your both the knees. Hug your both the knees tight. If you have any issue with the knee, so you can hold the thigh also. Okay, don't press your knee too much or compress your knee too much. Just make sure you're not unnecessarily using the shoulders and head. Keep them relaxed. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now just listen me carefully. We have a two different variation. So if you are very comfortable with Sarvangasana, lifting the leg up, go for Sarvangasana if you can do it. Okay. If you can't do it, then go for bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Okay. If you don't know any of this, I will show you one by one. So first I am going to show you bridge pose because this is a preparation for your Sarvangasana. So if you can't do the Sarvangasana, so you can try this, keeping the heels to get close, like hip distance, knees bent, palms on the mat. With the inhalation, we are lifting the hip up. This is Setu Bandhasana, which is bridge pose. So if you can't do it, so first work on this. You can do the few repetitions, and if you know you can do this, and now you want to try for Sarvangasana, so we keep the legs straight. If you know, please go for it. Okay, don't wait for me. I am just showing to them who don't know it. Then we are raising the leg and lifting ourselves up, and try to keep the toes pointed and engaged. This is Sarvangasana, shoulder step. Just make sure when you're coming back, you need to bend the knee and slowly slide the palm. Slowly slide the palms. When you're coming back, you should not lift the head up. And once you're down, you just stay in the same position for a few minutes, so you will normalize the blood circulation. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Those who can go for bridge pose, try bridge pose, hold for few seconds, few minutes, whatever is comfortable, very good. Nanji, just try to lift the more and try to bring your palms back side, not the sideways, पीछे. नयन जी के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन है, हाँ ऐसे, very good. See there is some change, very nice. And just assume someone is holding your leg and they are trying to touch the ceiling. तो कैसा एक्शन होगा, just वैसा इमेजिन करो. And slowly, very slowly come down, very slowly come down. Just make sure आपका abdomen tight रखना है हमें. Very good. Head should not come up. Control. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Just one more Pavan Muktasana. Bend your both knees. Hug your both knees tight. Tight. And roll side to side, so you will relax the lower back. Just roll side to side in the same position. A beautiful massage to your spine. And if you can do this up and down also, so go for it. Up and down also. If you can do it, otherwise you can just relax. And after 3-4 rounds, relax yourself in Shavasana. Relax yourself in Shavasana. You are master in Shavasana, but still I am giving you few instructions. We are keeping the knees away from each other. Drop your toes outside, palms away from your body, palm facing up. Just make sure 3 major points: your knee, your lower back, and your shoulder blades or neck region. You are not stretching them, you are relaxing them or placing them properly. And just relax. Take a deep breath in and exhale whatever is possible. And relax yourself. Relax. Quickly we move towards the different part of the body. So just you need to bring your awareness there, that's it. Aware about your toes and relax them. Aware about your heels and relax them. calf muscles, your knees, thighs, glute muscles, lower back, abdomen, chest, shoulder blades, both the shoulders, both the hands, your neck, your jaw, your facial muscles, the space between the eyebrows, and crown of your head. Now visualize your entire body from top to head, top to bottom, toe to head. Quickly move your awareness and relax it. Try to not move the body, just allow yourself to relax. When you allow yourself to relax, you feel the lightness, you feel the calmness, you feel happy. Just relax yourself. Still we are remembering the purpose, the intention, awareness. So right now in Shavasana, we are just aware about our body, which is relaxing, about our breath, which is naturally happening, and at the last, about your thoughts, awareness. If you are getting the thoughts, just focus on the breath. So shifting the awareness. Just mentally repeat, I am relaxed. I am relaxed. Just be aware about the surrounding. About your breath. Very slowly and gently we move the toes without any jerky movement. Slowly move your fingers. Slowly bring your hips together and interlock your fingers above your head and stretch your body. Give a beautiful stretch to yourself. Stretch, 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 before starting the day or other task. Just beautifully stretch and relax. Bring your head sideways. Still we are keeping the eyes closed. Take a right side turn, make a pillow with the right hand in Dridasana. Stay there in Dridasana. With the help of the palm, gently sit down, keeping the back straight. If possible, keep the eyes closed. Maintain the peace within you. Sit in any comfortable position. We will do 5 rounds of Brahmari Pranayama, the humming sound. Feel the vibrations. So we'll go for it. Breathe out completely first. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Last. Stay with yourself, feel the vibrations. Join your palms together. We will do 1 round move followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Exhale, just bow once and we practice. Inhale up. Gently rub your palms together, make them warm. Cup your eyes. Gently blink your eyes in a cup of your palm. And very gently slide your palms to the face. And gently, you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your faces. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Hopefully your Saturday morning time was worthful with me. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. ठीक है? Thank you everyone.